We are in Hangzhou, China, and in this video, I am going to take you to a very famous street in the city. In this street, you can buy a lot of stuff, souvenirs, shoppings, restaurants, you name it, they have it. And also, we are going to check out a outlet mall that is always on sale. And they have everything from local products to imported products. So that's nice. And also, we are going to try a authentic Persian restaurant in the same famous street that I was telling you about, and that is Hefang Street. So let's go. Kali here is teaching me how to say how much in Chinese. Go.
多少钱？
多少钱？
多少
多少钱？
钱
In my ears it's the same. Is that the same? Is that the same?
Yeah, yeah. 多少钱 That's right.
多少钱？多少钱？Am I saying it right?
Like it's different meaning, so I need to correct it. Not 多少钱 it's 多少钱钱
钱？
钱
钱？
Yeah, perfect.
多
Yes.
多少钱？
多少钱
多少钱？
？Yeah, 多少钱？
多少钱？
Look at my mom. 多少钱
多少钱？
？Perfect.
多少钱？便宜
点
点嘛，便宜点嘛，
Yeah,
便
and
宜
you need to longer your
Okay.
last word. 便宜点嘛。
便宜点嘛，OK， 便宜点嘛，
Yes, with the gesture.
便宜点嘛，OK, I can do that. Okay, 便宜点嘛。Alright, so we are here, and I learned some Chinese phrases, Chinese sentences. So one is 便宜点嘛, so it means can you lower the price? And then one is 多少钱, it means how much. And then the other one is cute eye 宝宝, cute eye 宝 cute eye 宝宝. So yeah, thanks to this girl right here. Yeah, and the others are Chow Ni Ma, Shibai. What's the other one? Shiba. Shabi. Alright, so we are going to a shopping mall, and Kali said this is the tip of the iceberg.
Straight.
So we are going straight. Hey, I thought this is the mall. I think this is the
I
mall.
think this is just one entrance.
Oh, there's a food here. There's a restaurant here. And I think these two wants to eat. You want to eat?
姐
Tea.
姐
Tea.
姐
Cute eye. Tea. Okay. You understand? Yeah. Cute.
Very 冰人，这是一个博主。
Alright. So I guess I'm learning a little bit.
傻逼。
I thought you're going to buy something for Undang.
Yeah.
What?
I want a new one.
New what?
New undang.
New Undang. Shout out to
What is
Undang.
Dang?
Undang is his girlfriend.
Yeah.
You want
And
to change?
Yeah.
I don't agree. I
yeah.
disagree.
Why? Say it to the camera for Undang.
Because Michael is a donkey.
Donkey.
Understand?
My God, this girl. I think there's a lot of ladies here doing live selling. That is so smart. They are live selling inside the mall. Wow, that's smart. That's actually smart. And then whatever the viewers want, they're just going to take it. I think something like that. Live selling. Okay, Kian, are you happy with your shopping for Melanie?
Yeah.
How about you, B-boy, for your mother?
Yeah.
Yeah, and this one, a little bit salty. Maximizing, we're maximizing the.
Look at these people.
And we are now in Wushan Square. Look at that. Wushan Square. That's Wushan Square right there. Ali, whenever I come to like oriental places like China, Japan, it's like there's a feel like in places like this. There's a vibe that I cannot understand. Like, I cannot
Vegan.
explain. Huh?
Para siyang may pagka-vegan.
Yeah,
Hindi, di ba? Vegan, di ba?
no, there's a vibe that I cannot explain. That it really like makes you fall in love with the place. Like, look at this. Look at how good this is. I know the vibe. It's because we love anime before when we were kids, and this is what it looks like in anime.
Anime?
Yeah, anime. Maybe it's maybe that's why. Wow, this is nice. Donuts!
先尝这个止咳退肺的
What are these?
，How much？
Donuts?
76一斤，500克。
Orange cake?
It's not cake.
Orange cake.
It's not cake. It's like 这个止咳退肺的，这其实
How come it's there's a cake? That's cake, right?
wrong translation.
Oh, no translation. What is it then?
这
Huh?
个 like this. How to say this?
Are you going to eat that straight up?
No, no. This is for free taste.
No, but if you're going to buy this straight up, you're gonna eat.
这个一整个一起
You're gonna eat it straight up.
你可以切小也可以 slice slice。
So let's have a pre-taste.
别拿你的。
English.
Pre-taste.
English.
Not for me.
Nakausap niya ako.
I'll give it another shot. This one.
Para nagustuhan mo ah.
能装满这
Gusto mo
些
ng
吗？
huli?
装不了，你一斤没多
Not for me, but I want to give it another shot with the sugar. No, not for me. Oh my God, what is this? Not for me. Not for me. But I think Tino likes it. Tino, you like it? Too sweet. For me, it's too sweet.
It's fine.
Oh, toffee. That's a toffee right there. Toffee. Let me want toffee. Shishi. Bro,
May tanong pera. Chin.
shishi.
你怎么
Shishi.
For free.
Ano yan?
beef pancake
Oh, beef pancake.
好吃的牛肉
like
饼。
pastry I guess。
One, spicy.
Spicy.
Yeah, spicy, yeah.
两个多少钱？
Alright, so, yun Tino or not? Gago! Ang sarap!
Utang ina!
走吧。
You're so good!
How much? How much? Kaling 9?
Very good, my friend! My friend, very good! Very good! Woo!
算两份牛肉的，他多几钱？多几钱也算不了呀。
Hold on. This is matcha. This is matcha?
This is not matcha. This is green. Green bean cake.
Oh, green. Oh, it's
出小千。
多少钱？
出小千。
it's okay, but not for me. But it's okay. 谢谢，谢谢。
Pwede ba kami magpa-ship dito? Kunyari dito.
I like tasted everything. So much free stuff. Thank you, shishi. Thank you so much. You're so kind. Oh, so I'm crossing the street now, and we were. Oh, look at that. There's a lot more to explore here in this place. There's a lot more to explore, and we are here. I don't know what is this. It's nice. I like it. I like the place.
You know why she became full? All the... Wow!
Kali, what's that? Kali, what is that? What is that? What are we looking at?
Yung panahon
Kali?
na hindi.
Ourselves.
No, that. What does it say? What does it say?
Street name.
Huh?
Street name.
Street name?
Street.
Street name under?
Yeah.
There's an what?
Just a street. I don't know why.
So maybe that's the street before.
yeah,
Before
yeah,
all
yeah,
this.
yeah. Smart.
Yeah. I think that's what
My
it
phone
means.
is that.
Is this a place to eat?
Yes, Arabica restaurante. The drink of vodka.
Okay. Hey, Russian. That's Russian.
Everything. Feels clear yesterday.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Really?
It's really a coincidence.
Oh,
yes,
really?
this place.
The Oma!
How did you know? How did you know?
Because he sent me the photo yesterday.
Oh.
Ano? Taga-Yemen. Pakalo ka.
Alright, so my food is here, and their food is not here yet. I don't want my food to get cold, so I must eat it. So it's because it's very cold right now. It will take like minutes, and this is gonna be ice cold. But yeah, it looks good. Look at B-Boy's chicken. What?
Lagi kang ganyan. Yung paabot na nga yung Tabasco po. Inang Tabasco.
So that's me, boys. And yeah, everyone's that's a big chin. That's a whole spring chicken right there. This is called Uncle Costo. Uncle Costo.
Take a picture.
Picture. All right, picture. This is a good restaurant, Uncle Costo. So shout out to Omar. Did Omar told you about this?
What?
This restaurant? About this restaurant? No.
He just showed what he's doing yesterday.
Oh, the picture.
Yeah.
And then pure coincidence.
I say, yeah, pure easy.
Oh. Yeah, I would give this a 5. This is a 5-star. It's good. The kebab is good. Huh?
5?
Yeah, out of 5.
5 out of 5?
Yeah. How about you?
10 out of 11.5.
10 out of 11.5?
Why is it missing scores?
Why? Why is over 5?
Mag-serve pare po.
Ha?
Tagal mag-serve.
Yeah. It's good. It's really good. But it's just that the salsa is like, I think they're making it fresh. That's why it's
Oh.
yeah, they're making it fresh. That's why it's arriving late.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy. B-boy, yummy, yummy. All right, so that's a good dinner with the team: Tino, Jolina, Kali, Alvin, and B-boy. And now they are going back to the hotel, and I'm still going to explore some in this area. They have a holographic image of a dragon here, and I stopped here because of this Valentine. It's like a Wild West type of bar. Yeah. This is kind of cool. Alright, so that's it for this vlog. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And also click on that notification bell so that you won't miss any uploads from me. So thanks for watching. See you next vlog.